I am Gina Sullivan, and I'm here at Excel Wellness Studio, and I just completed the 28-day Jumpstart meal plan along with the Max Burn team training sessions in studio and also virtually via Zoom 1 day a week. I would say it's been the best thing for me. I'm past my 28 days and I've learned so much with the meal plan, and it's things that I am doing now, incorporating on a daily basis and plan to going forward. My husband's doing it with me as well, and we love it. We've never felt better. I will say that the trainers here are amazing. They are energetic, they are motivational, they were exactly what I needed at a time that I was feeling pretty low and burned out with my regular gym and just low energy, high stress, and I feel like a completely different person now. So that I would recommend this studio to anybody. I already have. My mom is doing it, and several friends are checking it out as well, so you should too.
What were your results like in the 28 days?
I lost 4 pounds and 3% BMI, and that was with a week,
Body fat.
That was with a week vacation at the lake with my family. I was able to stick with it. I had a couple more cheats than I would have normally done, but hey, you're on vacation. So still good results even with a week on vacation.